In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your gwei settings on Metamask so that you can get a transaction approved easily. Before we do that, we're going to take a look at two different tools real quick so you can know what gwei to set. The first that we want to use is Ultrasound Money. This is going to kind of show in the top left. It's not always that accurate, but you can also check out time frames and see what the gwei is. So you can see in the past 5 minutes, transactions are getting through around these. Over the last hour or so, you can probably consistently get through at like 32. So if you put it at 32 and it goes up a little bit, you might just have to wait a few minutes or like 10 minutes for it to go through it. It should come back down. If it doesn't end up coming back down, you can go into your MetaMask again and increase the transaction speed by 10%. But let's not worry about that right now. We know we can probably get in around 32. The next thing you can come to is Etherscan.io/gas tracker. Basically, you want to set it to this gwei. And then I'm going to need to click remove and confirm. What I want to do is click market right here, click advanced. Basically, this is a tip to help your transaction go through faster. You can set this all the way up to your gwei fee. You kind of just want to keep it at the default though. You can see like if I put this at 43, it's going to give all my ETH. But when the transaction actually goes through, it could go through for much less. So was it 0.1? I usually just add a little bit, so 0.11, then I'll go through a little bit faster. Like I said, we want to set our base fee to 32. We know transactions are going through at 32, so I can hit save and click confirm. This will probably take about a minute or so to actually confirm. So I'm just going to fast forward a little bit, but there we go. Removed liquidity, transaction has gone through, all good to go. If we open up my MetaMask here, we can see the transaction results. The Ethereum and Sync tokens have been sent to my wallet and all is good. Remember, your transaction might not go through immediately. You might have to wait 10 minutes, you might have to wait an hour. If you don't want to wait, you can always just set the gwei higher or the priority fee a little bit higher and you can get your transaction through faster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.